Hello, this is Andrew from userattribution.com, and today we're going to walk through integrating Stripe with Google Ads. So one reason you might want to do this is to be able to, in Google Ads, know whether the customers that are coming from Google Ads are high quality, what their LTV is, what their churn rate is, what the MRR is from that particular channel. You can do this with several channels, but today we're just going to walk through Stripe with Google Ads. So the first step is to grab your Stripe key. We're going to do that from the Stripe dashboard. Click Developers, API Keys, and create a restricted key. We only need read access to customers' subscriptions and invoices. Again, just read only, and you can create a separate key just for this to keep your data safe. The next step is to add that API key to our dashboard. You're going to head over to userattribution.com, sign up or log in, click on Integrations, and click Stripe and paste your API key in there. The next step is to integrate Google Ads. So we'll start from that integrations page we just left. We're going to click on Google Ads. You're going to copy that ugly looking script, and we're going to create a script in Google Ads. So click on Tools, Bulk Actions, Scripts, and click this plus sign. Paste that ugly looking code in there and hit save. And don't forget, once it is saved, to set this frequency so that your data updates every single day. So I have it here set between 1 and 2 a.m. It will push an update. So that's when your dashboard will update with new Google Ads data. Now that we have those two integrations set up, our dashboard will now pull in, see this line item here, Google Ads. It will now pull in ad spend, clicks, average cost per click. And then here, of course, is where user attribution takes over and we get actual signups. So we have the real email addresses from these signups. And we can tell subscribers from Stripe data, conversion to paid from Stripe data, LTV, MRR, and churn is all coming from Stripe data. But here's how you put all of this into one dashboard so that you can see actual revenue by UTM source.